Hey everybody, welcome back. In this video I will be showing you how to download iPhone apps not available in your country. So this could be easily fixed. What we need to do is simply install a native, or what I suggest is NordVPN from your app store. Simply search that in your app store and you should have your NordVPN. So you can see if I search for Nord over here, you're going to be getting NordVPN, so you can install it. And by the way, you can head over to the link in the description below to get 70% off on NordVPN, and that will be helping you to get access to multiple features that can help you to unlock various different kind of apps. So yeah, this is going to be helping you guys out. Make sure to head over to the link in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned and see you in the next video.